how to share Walmart Plus with family. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can share Walmart Plus with family. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So on Walmart, it does not have a separate family plan like other applications such as Amazon Prime. So in that case, instead, all of the household members can share the same Walmart application account and reside under the same address. So for that, you can have up to 4 authorized users under your same account, and these are usually family members or household users authorized to use the membership. So since there is no features to invite or create sub-accounts, sharing is automatic. Once someone logs in using your Walmart Plus, that person is eligible for gaining other the eligible benefits of the Walmart Plus account. So to log in into Walmart, users have to go to the Walmart website, and here you have to click on sign in button at the top right corner, and here you have to provide credential. Click on sign in, then you have to provide your credentials to the household members that you trust, and they will need to use the same login to access your Walmart Plus features. Provide your credential, click on continue. Once you're logged in, then you will have the Walmart Plus features if you are logged in with the same account. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.